When you feel a sneeze coming, holding it in might seem polite, but suppressing that air can cause a hidden internal disaster. A natural sneeze travels at up to 100 miles per hour. When you close your mouth and pinch your nose, that massive force has nowhere to go. Instead, the immense pressure is forced back down your eustachian tubes, blasting directly into your delicate inner ear. This sudden shockwave can easily rupture your eardrum, or in severe cases, cause air to get trapped in the tissue behind your eyes. It is always safer to let the sneeze out. Just make sure to cover your mouth.